wrote this with my friend when they...
Baka naman palusot mo lang kay Angela yun
hindi.
para hindi ka niya pagdudahan.
Actually, kilala niya yung friend namin, si Stephen. So, when we were...
nag-name drop ka pa.
Shout Stephen, shout out.
So yun, for a friend yun.
Yeah, we were writing kasi naghiwalay yung 5 years relationship nila.
Oo,
So,
no,
aray
bakit?
ko, aray.
Nag-react ka, Rice?
Nagre-react ba dyan? Wala. Sister, ah? Okay.
Yes, sorry.
Para po sa friend nyo.
Yes,
Oh.
it's simply about, nasa huli ang pagsisisi. So, mas na-appreciate mo yung mga bagay pagka wala na. So, yun yung song. Kaya bawat sulok, in every corner of your room, in every corner of your memory, nandun siya.
Pwede bang Pwede bang parinig?
Parinig naman.
Sige.
Bawat sulok by Mark Carpio, For a Friend.